This is an extremely cool toy dragon. Not only can you carry it in your hand and battle with your friends, you can even control its mouth and make the paper dragon speak.
You don't know me.
The method is also super easy. First, prepare a sheet of colored A4 paper. Let's start by folding along the middle. Then fold the right side in half again. Cut it along the crease. Next, let's fold the center line in half. Fold it left and right upwards to divide the paper into 4. Then fold the long side of the midline in half. This way, a unit is folded. The folding method below is the same as that of the previous unit. Then prepare another sheet of A4 paper. Our midline is folded in half and divided into 2. Fold one half of the midline in half first, then fold it in half, and then fold it in half according to the video. Then fold it in half diagonally with the help of a ruler. The opposite side is also folded in the same way. Refer to the video and cut out the excess with scissors. Then divide it in 2. Of the units is cut and the other is creased according to the video. Now all the units are folded. We start assembling. Attach the eyes and teeth first. Draw your favorite design on the surface. Next, combine the units with white latex. Next, we assemble it. Attach the eyes and teeth first. Next, we assemble it. Next, we assemble it. Next, we assemble it. Next, we assemble it. We highly recommend you make a few more to play with your friends. If you have time, you must make one.